Okay, alright, welcome again to this training video. So in this video I want to show you how you can withdraw from your PayPal to your UK bank account, and from there you can withdraw from your UK bank account to your local bank account. So as you can see, I have £10.43 here. So this £10.43, what I'll need to do now, I will need to transfer it to my account. So what I will need to do, I'll need to come to this I'll need to come here. Just follow me up closely. You need to come to this three dot, then you come to wallet. After you have come to your wallet and you wait for it to load, then you will see the available balance there is £10.43 available. So you click on this PayPal balance. So after there you click on transfer money, or click on transfer money. Now they will say transfer money out. Hope you understand. So the next step that you need to take is withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. I'll need to click there. So after clicking there, they will show the amount that I will really need to withdraw. So I will really need to withdraw all these amounts. So they will say choose your speed, like in a minute no fee, so in 2 to 3 days fee may apply. So I'll need to come to this one, then I'll need to choose my account. Here is my account. I will not change anything. I just need to click on withdraw. Hope you understand. So after you have clicked on withdraw, you wait for it to load. You just wait for it. Have you seen your £10.43 is on its way? Have you seen? So this is just the process on how you can withdraw from your PayPal to your bank account, to your UK bank account. It is very easy. Once the money landed, I'll still make a video on how you can withdraw from your UK account to your local bank account. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have you seen? So this is just the process. The money I've left in my account. So let's go to my UK bank account. We will need to receive a notification. Welcome again. Now we are on our Gray app now. So the money have arrived, the money that I withdraw this early morning from my PayPal. As you can see, let me just view it. Have you seen? So this is the money that I withdraw, £10.43. So the gray charge it about £2. So that's how it is. That's how Gray normally did. They charge much, but assuming I was using GPay, they won't charge. But maybe currently now GPay is having a little issue while trying to link it to your PayPal account. So I have dropped a video on how you can link your bank to your PayPal. So if you haven't watched it, just go scroll through my video and you will see the video and then watch it. Please, if you are watching this on YouTube, don't fail to click the red subscribe button and turn off the bell notification, so that whenever I post any other update or any other video like this, you'll be the first person to notify. So the next step that we are going to do now is to transfer this £8.44 now to our local bank account. So what you need to do, you need to click on this convert. First, you need to convert it to a naira first. You need to convert it to a naira. So the thing that is there is, I'm going to withdraw all the £8.44. so this is approximate 16,600 naira. So what you need to do now, you need to click on this continue. After you have clicked on this continue, you can put the narration of the transaction. So now just click transfer. I'll just put there transfer, then click on convert money. So have you seen currency conversion successfully? Okay, got it. All right, so what you need to do now, have you seen this to tell you that I have converted the money now to from pounds to Nigerian currency. So I'll need to click here now and change it to naira. So from there, I'll click on this. I'll need to send this money now to my local bank account. So what you need to do now, you need to click on this send. So after you have clicked on send, you come to this send via bank transfer. You come to this send to new recipients. So as you can you come to your naira, you come to naira, click on naira. So from there you come and choose your bank. As for me, I'll need to send it to my OPay. Let's just check. Have you seen OPay Paycom? So I'll need to put my account number. Here is my account number. So we need to wait. It has generated my name. So from there, you click on this continue. After you have clicked on continue and you wait for it, now they will ask you the amount that you need. As for me, I'll need to withdraw 17,600 naira, which is 17,600. So that is just the process. Okay, let's just say I will just they will charge 35 naira. I will withdraw all the money. Hope you understand. 36,390 naira. So let's just go for it so that, okay, have you seen? So that is just the process. Then you will later come here and click on continue. After that, you have clicked on continue. You can, what is this for? You can change it to anything of your choice, but as for me, I will keep it like that. Then you come to this narration and click transfer. So after that, you click on send money. So no setup, enable to authenticator to secure your transaction. I'll need to set up. Let me set up via SMS. All right, we can just set it up. So this is just the first time that we do this. The code will come. The code has come already because it is 325420. Is as enabled. So that is just the thing. This is just for the first time of making the transaction with this account. So that's why. So the authenticator helps you to secure your account. You understand my point? So that is just the thing. You click on this send money. Then you have clicked on send money. Then you will need to wait for it. Have you seen? So they have sent the code. So here is the code. Then I will just go ahead and put the code. Then put the code and then authorize the payment. Have you see? Your money is on its way. Okay, you can download the receipt. You can just print the receipt as an image. So that is just the thing. Or you click on, have you seen? Here is the receipt. The receipt has been downloaded already, but I will not send it. I will just click on okay. Got it. Then let's wait. Have you see? The money has left our account. This to tell you that we have successfully transferred the sum of 17,639 naira to my OPay bank account. So guys, this is just the simplest way on how you can withdraw from your PayPal directly to your personal local bank account. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next class. But if you watch this video directly from YouTube, you need to please, I beg you, just click the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I posted any other update like this or any other valuable video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you.